Today I want to teach you a new things, the difference of two squares. You can see that a new identity we will learn today. You can see that a plus b times a minus b. So just multiply them. I will use the sum arrow. Let you know how to expand this bracket. So a times a square, a times minus b, so equal to a negative minus ab, and then b times a plus ab, positive b times negative b square. Finally, you will get a square minus b square because these two terms are cancel each other. We will get the difference of a two square. Now on the next page I will teach you how to use this identity. Just by looking at this, I will write down a two bracket. Just fill in some number with it. We found that you can see that the first one just similar to our identity learned on the first page. Here is a. You look at, so 3 is a b, so you just put here, put these terms into the bracket. Finally we get x squared minus 9. This is the answer. Similarly, on the part B, I will use the same skill. Write down two bracket here and write down the square sign and try to find what is A, what is B. So put it here, and then we will get 16 minus y squared. Let's look at more example. How about this one? You can see that it's a slightly difference. As we know that it should be a plus b, a minus b. The first term should be the same within the brackets, but now you can see that it's 2x is 3y. So let us do some arrangement. 3x plus 2y, 3x minus 3y minus 2x. You can see that which is match our identity. So by using our identity, first just write down the brackets and the square. And this should be A, this should be B. So I put it back to the bracket, 3y and 2x. So by 3y a whole square, so we'll get 3xy times 3y should be 9y squared. How about the 2x times 2x should be minus 4x squared. Don't forget to square the 3 and the 2. Okay, then we go to another example. The question example 4, how to calculate this value without using a calculator. You're just doing like that by using a squared minus b squared equal to a minus b and a plus b, or you just take it reverse, a plus b or a minus b. You can do it like this. So I take 85 as A, 15 as B. So it should be 85 minus 10, 85 plus 15 is the first one is 17. How about the second one? Second one is 100. It's a very beautiful number. So finally it's equal to this one. Okay. Let us look at the last example. Oh, sorry, this is the last example. So, for this number, this kind of question, try to use the identity you learned, a minus b or a times a plus b, or just reverse. Okay, well, that is the end of this session.